everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to open some very happy mail. Happy mail, happy mail, happy mail. Yeah, happy mail. Very unexpected and very exciting happy mail. Why is that? I will tell you that in a little clickety moment. Okay, everyone, so I went in my shower as usual, like you do every day, every morning. And as I got out of the shower, just got out of it, someone knocked at my door and I thought, ooh, well, I'm not expecting anything today, so I wonder who it could be. So I went to the door, and would you know it, the mailman was here waiting for me with a big package. I was still dressed with my dressing gown, towel on my head, and I will show you now what the postman was greeted with. I will put the picture on here. So now you saw what the postman had to see, right? The mess, absolute mess. But anyway, I dried my hair, I got myself a little bit more ready now, and I am excited. Look at this. Woo! My son's just looking at me like he's thinking, what is she doing, this crazy woman? I am holding the mail.
That's what I think every day, Mum.
You didn't hear that, did you, people? No, you didn't hear that. He just loves his mommy very much. He doesn't think she's crazy at all.
Exactly.
Exactly,
Not
you
at
see?
all.
Not at all. He loves her so much, don't you?
Totally.
There we are, you heard it here. Aha! Happy mail. I really was not expecting that. And this is from a wonderful person who I enjoy tremendously. I'm sorry, my hair is all over the place. I enjoy watching his channel so much. Every single video, it's just such fun to watch. So I would encourage you all to go over and check his channel. This is Derek. Yes, this is Derek. He sent me unexpected mail. Derek, thank you so much. This is Derek, the Nitwit Strong. Below down here, I will put his channel link down here. Go check it out. And not only does he have a YouTube channel, oh yes, he has that, but also a Twitch account, which I will put the link down here someplace. So check it out. And so he's got YouTube, Twitch, and a wonderful Facebook. So go and check it out. This also will be down here. Derek is such a wonderful person. I enjoy his channel, his videos, like I've just said, but him himself is just such an enjoyable person. And I can honestly say, hand on my heart, that I think, for me anyway, I consider him a friend. I am enjoying our contact, and so yeah, please check him out. He is such a lovely person. Go ahead. And he does a lot of knitting, crochet, and other crafts. He does diamond painting, which are amazing. He does rugs. He does lip balms. You name it, he does it. He is wonderful. And he has a wonderful, enjoyable, fun, electric personality. Check him out. I love him so much, and I cannot talk about him enough. But I will because I have to open this now. Yes, I do. Derek, thank you so much, and I love you so much. So here we are. Let's open this. Ah! I cannot wait to see what's in here. So I've got my trusted scissors, and let's open this up. Very, very excited. I have to say, I really was not expecting that. Thank you so much, Derek. Let's open it up. And my son is watching me. Wonder what's in here, darling. What's in here? Shh. Don't tell me. I want it to be a surprise. Right. Oh, there's another package. It's a package inside a package. There we are. A package inside a package. That sounds like a jingle, doesn't it? A package inside a package. Ding ding. Okay, let's stop being silly and carry on, shall we? It says here, press firmly. No, I don't want to seal it. I want to open it. Let's open it up. I do need the scissors. I'm not strong enough, apparently. Okay, we're done. Whoa, there's a card. Yes, there's a card. So let's open it up. It says hello. Hello. So let's open the card. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Really is. Oh, it's actually really beautiful because the words are really beautiful. So it says, all things in their time, sorrow, strength, healing, peace. And the colors are just beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look, I really, really love that. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Derek, because I know why you sent me that. Thank you so much. So let's open it up. And oh, look at this, darling. I have got some wonderful stickers. These are just the cutest ever. Look at those. He's the first one to see them. Now it's your turn. Look at those stickers. I'll have to put something in front so you can see. There. Look at those beautiful stickers. Look. Oh, they are so cute. Look at that little one there. So cute. And that one, and that one. Wow, I love it. Oh, really love it. Thank you so much. So, and inside the card, I just need to check if I can read this out loud or not. So I will be right back with you. I am back and I've decided after all that this is quite private in here. So I will not read it, but just your words mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, Derek. And you are an amazing friend to have, and I cherish our friendship and our contact. And you know, some more stuff is coming your way, right? We are going shopping very soon, and my son is going to help me choose one or two things for you. So I hope you will enjoy it all. Okay, let's proceed to see what is in the package. I now know because I have read the lovely note, but I am super, super, super excited. Yes, I am. Ah, okay, wow. This is amazing. Look what I have got. You might be wondering, well, what on earth is that? Well, this is lip balm that Derek made. Yes, he did. He made that himself. So, now that you know he has a Facebook page, click on it and I will use some right now. So this is like a mini review. I can tell you right now what I personally think of Derek's wonderful lip balm product. There we are. I've got 2 of them. So I am spoiled. Thank you so much, Derek. Wow. I was supposed to buy some. And I probably will buy a lot more, actually. Yes, I probably will. So be prepared for a bigger order now because I will probably want some more. So I got 2 wonderful lip balms. Now let's, without further ado, open one of them. There it is. Look at this. Oh, it smells really, really nice. Do you want to smell?
No. Until
Oh,
I
it
see.
smells really nice.
Until I see. I've got a lazy nose.
You have a lazy nose. I can definitely smell the lavender. It's lavender and rosemary. Oh, so nice. I'm going to put some on. Oh, yes, I am. You can smell this. You really can smell
It's
it.
slowly turning into a makeup channel now.
I don't wear makeup. The only thing I wear is lip balm. Oh. Oh, yes. This is really nice. Now, this is really nice. Wow. And the other one. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, you guys, you need to check this out. You need to ask him to make some for you. Now, these are amazing. Thank you, Derek. Oh, I'm going to enjoy those so much. I wear lip balm all the time because my lips get dry constantly. And I don't know why. And it's extremely irritating. So I love lip balm. Love it. And this, my goodness. Thank you so much. I will be using it all the time. All the time. Okay. Let's continue this wonderful journey. Wow. Now this is Bernard yarn. Just looking at his lovely note. This is the Bernard yarn that he uses to make his beautiful market bags. By the way, his market bags are amazing. So check them out. Again, it's in the link down there. And I just really, really love to see what he does. You know, there I go again. I can't help myself. Right. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, wow. Bernard Maker Home Deck by Yarnspirations. And this is the color. I don't know. It's like a, how would you describe that color? It's like a
turquoise.
No, not turquoise.
Teal.
Teal, like a light teal, or
It's about turquoise.
no. I can't think of the word for that color. Aqua.
Turquoise.
No, it's not turquoise, is it? I'll show. Turquoise. He made it up. Turquoise. Anyway, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Isn't that amazing? I might have to make a bag. So, and I have 2 of those. Yes, I have. Derek, you spoiled me. Oh. Oh, this is amazing. I've never used that. Never. And it feels so nice. Yes, 250 gram per skein. That's a lot. And so I've got 500 grams. And oh, it's aqua. The color is aqua. Aqua. There we go. Now we have a color name. Aqua. Oh, yes. I really, really love it. What needle size do we need for this? It says 8mm hook. Oh, I see. So that is number 5. Is that bulky or chunky? Yeah, it does look it. It feels it. Or even super? No, just chunky, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I need to make something with that. Oh, thank you so much, Derek. You have really spoiled me. But 2 beautiful skeins a yarn, 1 amazing card, some beautiful stickers. Beautiful. I love them stickers so much. Thank you. And amazing lip balm. Yes, I have. I am super, super duper happy right now.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Super happy. And I just want to thank you so much, Derek. So thank you everyone for joining me for opening this wonderful unexpected email. This has been so much fun, and thank you so much, Derek. Thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet.